Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram link to TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up TikTok here. And if I want to add my Instagram profile link to TikTok to try to get followers from TikTok over to Instagram, I can easily do that. I'll tap the profile icon at the very bottom right here, and then you can see where it says Edit Profile. I will tap where it says Edit Profile, and if I scroll down under Social, it gives me Instagram and YouTube. Now I can tap Add Instagram to your profile, and what it will do is it will ask me to log in to my Instagram account that I want to link here. So I will log into Instagram here, and then hit Login, and now you can see Save Info. I'll tap that. And now you have to allow TikTok to access your account, and I'll hit Allow. And now I've linked my Instagram profile to TikTok. I can swipe back here and you can see now I have that little Instagram logo there on my profile. I can tap it and it'll go directly to my Instagram profile page from TikTok. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.